Hello students, open your English textbook on page number 94. Okay. In this session we are going to solve these pages. See, speaking skill, work in pair. Pupil A, what does an ant have? Pupil B, an ant has small legs. See, students, you have to do this activity with your parents or your friends. Okay. Now, use words from board 1 to ask questions and words from board 2 to answer them. Then, reverse role. Okay. Board first. An ostrich. See, what is the question for it? What does an ostrich have? Answer is an ostrich have long legs. Next, what does an elephant have? An elephant have long trunk. What does a tiger have? Answer is a tiger has black strips. Okay, like that you have to solve remaining words. See the next page. Listening skill. Listen to the story and answer the questions. See, listening text on page number 100. Here is one story. A lion sleeps in the jungle. A mouse runs up on his head. The lion gets angry. The mouse says, "Do not eat me up. Please let me go. I will help you in time of need." The lion lets him go. One day, the lion gets caught in a net. The mouse sees him. He nibbles at the net and free the lion. The lion and the mouse become good friends. See, here are some questions. Where does the lion sleep? In the jungle. Who runs up the lion's head? A mouse. Do not eat me up. Who says this? A mouse. What does the mouse nibble at? At the net. Who become good friends? The lion and the mouse. Read the words aloud. A. Car, park, jar. A as a. Cat, nap, carrot. E as a. Hen, ten, pay. I is E. Fit, pill, bin. O as O. Pot, doll, box. U as a. Cup, pulp, uncle. Okay. Now next, grammar. Reading and writing skill. Present continuous tense. Read these sentences. See students, present continuous tense. In this tense, the activity is going on. Okay. Read these sentences. Mona is going to Kolkata. Mona is walking to her mother. Okay. These sentences describes actions. Okay. These actions are taking place when we are speaking. Okay. These actions are continuing. They are not for short time. They are taking place over a period of time. Okay students, means in present continuous tense the action is going on when we are speaking. जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं तब वो एक्शन हो रही होती है, वो चालू होती है उस वक्त, इसलिए उसे कंटिन्यूअस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस बोलते हैं. सी क्वेश्चन ए. लुक एट द पिक्चर्स एंड कंप्लीट द सेंटेंसेस. यूज द वर्ड्स गिवन इन द बॉक्स. द किटन्स आर स्लीपिंग. The dogs are barking. The children are playing. The bird is flying. The small girl is sitting. Okay, see the next page. Match and write. The boys are laughing. The cat is what? Mewing. The donkeys are braying. The baby is crying. You have to write here these sentences. Okay, now see the next. Read these sentences. The monkeys are climbing the tree. The lion is drinking water. Here is the actions are continuing. They have a noun after them, tree and water. Okay, noun means what? We know about that, naming words. Okay, see here. Complete these sentences with the help of the picture clues. Anandi is eating an orange. Mr. Verma is sitting on the chair. The children are giving a gift. The cat is playing with a ball. Okay, see the next page. D. Given below or answer. Make a question for each answer. One is done for you. Where is Mona going? Mona is going to Kolkata. Now answer is Mona is arranging her books in her room. Okay, then we have to prepare question. What is Mona arranging? Okay, now next. The baby sparrows are dancing and creeping. Now question for it. Who are dancing and creeping? Now see next. They are flying here and there. Question is, where are they flying? Okay, see the next. Look at the picture and make new word. See, this is a car and dog. Dog is a pet animal. What is it? Carpet. This is butter and this is a fly. Is equals to butterfly. Now see the next. Complete these sentences using words given in the brackets. Sunil is laughing loudly. The children are flying kites. The butterfly is sitting on the floor. See the next page. I am reading a book. I am writing a letter. Next question. Put full stop or question marks to end of these sentences. The baby is drinking milk. Put full stop. What is the man doing? Put question mark. See the next. Writing skill. The given picture shows Raja making a sandwich. These pictures have got mixed up. Rearrange the pictures in correct order. Now complete the sentence given below to help him make the sandwich. Raja makes sandwich. First, take 2 slices of bread, butter and jam. Okay. Now second, spread butter on 1 slice. Third, now spread jam on on the butter. Fourth, then put the other slice on top. Fifth, now eat the sandwich. You can also make a sandwich just as Raja does. Understood? Students, you have to solve these pages. At the same time, you have to write in your notebook. Okay? And send me the photocopy. Thank you.